Hi guys, it's Funny Bunny Toys. Today we're going to be opening 4 spring Easter eggs.
We're opening Kinder Surprises and it's special edition, guys. This is Easter Kinder Surprises and we hope to find very special surprises inside.
I hope to find a flower ring.
Oh yeah, flowering will be good. But there are some bunnies behind me, and on our channel there is only one bunny, me. The rest not from here. So let's see what we have.
We got 4 Easter eggs inside this basket with the Easter bunny.
Yeah guys, there is very special basket here with 4 eggs in each, and there are flowers here. We hope to find some kind of flower surprises, spring surprises inside. So Sophia, let's open them.
Okay. This is the rainbow cow that we found in the Easter eggs, and this is how it goes front and back all the time. This is a yellow car that comes with the airplane.
Yep guys, this is a super interesting race car with airplane, and we can open it and close. Welcome to our collection, yellow race car.
This is a purple dinosaur that you could open its belly to draw paws.
Here is different types of clothes inside, and it's really cute.
This is a cute little blue-eyed dragon.
It has long tail here, and we can play with him by throwing it out. You can see here the example.
This is the blue car that we have the same thing.
This is a duplicate that we got, and we can open the front of the car. We're supposed to open, but it just broke, and has this big wheel behind. This is a race car.
These are 2 spinners that you could make a race with and see which one goes furthest.
We can blow them and just spinning around and going forward.
This is what we got today for opening all the Easter eggs.
Yeah guys, we opened 8 Easter eggs and we got tons of cars.
We got two blue cars and 2 yellow cars that we never noticed that we got 2 yellow cars.
Right, we didn't notice our duplicate of the yellow one. And we got this super funny stripe machine, and we got 2 dragons, right Sophia?
Right.
2 dragons and lots of machines. Thank you guys for watching our video.
Like and subscribe. Bye bye.
See you next time. Bye bye.